everyone, and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Karen. So today I'm going to be making a popular cookie for the holidays, Snickerdoodles. But mine are going to be a little bit different today. I am going to be making dairy-free vegan Snickerdoodles. And I'm going to be making these particular cookies today in honor of my good friend, New England Scratcher. He is another YouTube channel and he does lottery scratch-off tickets. He's really popular. And he can't have anything with lactose or dairy in it, but he loves cookies. So I promised him I would come up with a recipe that he could make for himself for Christmas. And the difference is going to be we're going to be using some plant-based butter instead of regular butter, and some almond milk instead of regular milk. But other than that, it's going to be pretty much like a regular Snickerdoodle. So let's get cooking. In a large bowl, we are going to place 2 sticks of softened plant-based margarine. Now I'm using Country Crock plant butter. Now to this, we are going to add 1 1/4 cup of sugar. And now we're going to beat this until it's light and fluffy. And now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of almond milk. Now feel free to use any kind of plant milk you like, almond milk, cashew milk, oat milk, and now give that another mix. Okay, this looks good. And now we're going to sift into our bowl a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're going to sift this in. And now we're going to mix this together. I'm just going to scrape down the sides of my bowl and finish mixing it by hand. Now it's going to be a pretty thick dough. This is the consistency that we're looking for. After the dough has been mixed, it needs to sit in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. It's been 2 hours and we're ready to make our cookies. In a small bowl, add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and mix that around. Now we're going to take a cookie scoop and scoop out a ball. Roll it in your hands, and now we're going to roll it in our cinnamon sugar mixture. Our oven's been preheating to 350 degrees, and now we're going to bake these for 9 to 10 minutes. So our cookies have been baking for 10 minutes at 350, and this is how they look. It's nice and soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. Okay, you guys, here we have it, our wonderful Snickerdoodles. I am super happy with how these turned out. They are crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside. I'm just going to give it a little taste. They literally melt in your mouth. They are so good. I don't care if they're dairy-free, lactose-free, vegan. They're delicious. So I hope you guys were going to give these a try. and New England Scratcher, I definitely hope you're going to give these a try. Now I'm going to post his link on the bottom of my description page, and I want everyone to go over there and check him out. He has been so supportive to my channel. So thank you for watching, everyone, and we'll see you on the next episode.